How to hide desktop icons on Windows 11. First and easiest way to hide your desktop icons is by using a simple right-click on your desktop. Just right-click anywhere on your desktop where there's no icon. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From here, we can access the settings that will let us hide those icons. Now, let's dive into the option that allows us to hide the icons. In the context menu, hover over View. This will expand into a submenu. From here, you'll see an option that says Show Desktop Icons. If this option is checked, it means your icons are visible. To hide them, just click on this option to uncheck it. That's it. Your desktop icons should disappear instantly, leaving you with a clean, uncluttered workspace. But what if you want to bring those icons back? It's just as easy to reverse this setting. To make your icons visible again, simply right-click on the desktop, go back to View, and recheck the Show Desktop Icons option. Your icons will reappear right where you left them. This gives you the flexibility to hide or show your icons whenever you need to. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.